Hi children, welcome back to computer class. So today we are going to start our third chapter, that is adding features to a presentation. This chapter is about MS PowerPoint. Okay, so in MS PowerPoint, it belongs to the MS Office. MS PowerPoint belongs to MS Office and is used to create captivating presentations. It also includes various pictures, clip art, animations, etc. So MS PowerPoint is used to make presentation, and we can also include various pictures, shapes, clip arts, animation, etc. in the MS PowerPoint. A PowerPoint presentation has more impact if it comprises more images to support the text. If the PowerPoint image will be very attractive if it has many images inside it. So in this chapter we are going to study different features, how to add different features in a MS PowerPoint. First one is about the Insert tab. Insert tab in MS PowerPoint 2016. A presentation looks best when it has a lot of information but is explained with only few words and has more pictures, illustrations, tables, etc. So presentation will look good only if contains many information but with less words and more pictures, illustrations, and also tables, etc. For that we are using the insert option, insert tab. It has various objects to make our presentation more creative. So you can see this is the insert tab and it has many groups inside it, and each group has different options. Each groups contain different options. First one is the tables group. You can see the tables group here. First one is the tables group. So tables group is used to insert table to a presentation. Table group is used to insert table to a presentation. Next one is the image group. Images group is used to insert pictures or images stored on the computer from internet and also the screenshot. So in the images group we are using the images group to insert picture into the presentation. The pictures can be from our computer itself, or we can select from the we can choose from the internet, or it can be also a screenshot. Next one is the illustrations group. Next one is the illustration group, and this is the illustration group. In the illustration group is used to insert illustrations such as shapes, Smartart, charts, etc. So you can see it can be used to insert different shapes and different charts, etc. Next one is the links group. It is used to insert different links to a website. Link means it can be used to insert link to the website. And the last one is the text group. It is used to insert different types of text and also the Wordart. So these are the different groups in the insert tab. Tables group, images group, illustrations, links, and text group. First one is inserting picture. How to insert picture in MS Word? We can insert pictures in the MS Word by using insert option. For more, it can be PowerPoint can be made more interesting by adding pictures to it. The steps to add pictures is, first you have to select the picture icon. This is the picture icon under the images group of the insert tab, and dialog box appear. You have to select the picture from the dialog box, then click on the open button. After that you can see the selected picture will be appeared into your presentation. Next is inserting clip art. Clip art is a colorful drawing, or you can see small animated pictures. That is the clip art, and it is provided by MS PowerPoint application itself. To insert a clip art to a presentation, we have to click on the insert tab first, and you can see the images. In the images group you can see online pictures icon, and click on there. You can see in a search bar is there. You have to type the desired clip art, and you can see the different clip arts appear here. From that clip art you have to select the desired one. Okay, that is what about clip art. Then next is inserting Smartart. Smartart is the way to make simple organized presentation, diagrams, organization charts, and flow chart. You can make different charts, flow charts, or you can make a diagram or anything that you can use the Smartart. It has various categories like list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationships, etc. The steps to insert a Smartart is, first you have to click on the Smartart icon under the illustration group, which comes under the insert tab. After that, a dialog box appears. This is the dialog box, and you can choose any one from this group, dialog box, and you can also then click on OK button. So these are the different types of different options, and you can choose from there. If you want a list type, you can choose from here, and if you want a cycle, you have to select the cycle option, and you have to choose from this option. Then click on OK, and that's all about how to insert a Smartart. Next is a screenshot. Screenshot is an image. We already came across the term screenshot. Screenshot is an image that shows the content of a computer display. Whatever thing is displayed on a computer screen that content is known as a screenshot. So one can take a screenshot by clicking on the icon under the images group in the insert tab. You can see this icon in your images group in the insert tab, and click on this icon, and you can see the screenshot of whatever thing that is displayed on your computer screen, that will be taken as a picture. Next is inserting shapes. MS PowerPoint has a collection of predefined shapes similar to many other MS Office applications. These shapes can be added to make the presentation look more interesting. So the steps to add shapes are, click on the shape icon under the illustration group of the insert tab, and select the shape that you want to insert from the drop down list. You can see different shapes in the drop down list. Click on the desired location in the presentation area, and then you have to drag your mouse. So we can also change the shape and the size of this. You can also change the size of that shape and also rotate it, etc. So all the four sides allow us to resize the shape horizontally or vertically. The dots on the corner are used to resize the shape from both the sides at the same time. For rotating the shape, select it and rotate it using the symbol on the top of the shape. You can see a circular or a loop shape there, and you have to click there, and you can just move or rotate your shape. And you can also make your shape larger or smaller by the four dots on the sides of the shape. Next is the Format tab. The Format tab appears after clicking on the shape or a Smartart. You can see a Format tab only if we click on that shape that we inserted, or when we click on a Smartart. Such tabs are called Contextual Tabs. Which are special type of tabs that appear only when a particular object is selected. So if we insert a shape, or if we insert a Smartart, and if we click on that shape or Smartart, a new tab appear there. That is the Format tab, and such kind of tabs are known as Contextual Tabs. So it will be, that means that kind of tabs are special tabs that appear only when a particular object is selected. It provides us more formatting options for our shape in the presentation. And this Format tab has 5 groups. So first one is Insert Shapes group, next is Shape Style, third one is Wordart Style, fourth one is Arrange, and fifth one is Size. First one, Insert Shape. This group enables us to include more shapes into the presentation. Insert shapes means we can insert different shapes to the presentation. Next is Shape Style. This group controls all the options to style the object with the fill color, border color, styles, and shape effects on how to design the object. So in the Shape Style, you can choose the different options which that can be used to fill the colors, border colors, and also you can change the style and shape of the object. Next is Wordart Style. Wordart Style is used to insert different styles of text. Wordart comes with different styles. Next is Arrange option, where you can arrange option when using multiple objects in a presentation. This group helps us to arrange what shape has to be shown and how. So the arrange option help us to arrange when there are multiple objects in our presentation. We can choose which has to be shown and how. And the last one is the size. This is the group allows resizing of shapes. So the shapes can be resized, that is the size. So contextual tabs are special tabs within the ribbon that are not visible all the time. They only make an appearance when you are working with a particular object, which can be edited using the special option. So contextual tab cannot be visible all the time. It will be displayed only if we work on a particular item that we inserted. So that's all about today's class. Let us have a look on how can we use the different options in MS PowerPoint. So we have learned about the insert tab first. Okay, so this is the insert tab, and you can see different options here and also the different groups. First one is the tables group, image group, illustrations, links and text. So these are the different groups that we have learned. And first we have learned about how to insert picture in MS PowerPoint. So first you have to click on the picture option in the insert tab, which comes under the images group. Click on the picture option and you can see you can choose your picture from your computer, or you can choose your picture from the internet. Here I am choosing a picture and then click on the insert option, so that picture appear on your slide. And next is how to insert a clipboard. For that you have to click on the insert option, and you can see the online picture option here. In the images group you can see the online picture option. Click on the online picture option and you can choose the different, you can type your and you can see the different pictures appear here. Just click on the picture, or if you want a clip art, you can just type here clip art. So here I have typed fun clip art, and you can see the different clip arts appear here. Just select a clip art and then click on the insert option, and you can see it is downloading and it appears here on your slide. Next is inserting Smartart. Smartart is you can make different diagrams or charts or flowchart by using the Smartart option. So for that, click on the insert tab and click on the Smartart option, which comes under the illustration groups, and this is the dialog box that appear, and from that you can choose the different text or different style. Here you can choose any style and then click on OK. So you can see you can type your text here by just simply tapping on that text box. Next is inserting shapes. To insert a shape, you can click on the insert option and then here shapes, a down arrow is there. Click on that down arrow and you can see different shapes here. Click on any shape and you can see the shape appear there. You can also change the size of the shape and also rotate it. If you want to change the size, if you want to make your shape larger, then just simply click on the corner dots and just drag. If you want to make your the smaller, then you have to drag inward, and you can see but in here an icon is there or option is there. Just you have to rotate like this, so your picture will be rotating like this. And also these are the options for a shape. Next is the format tab. Format tab appears after clicking on a shape. So here you can see there is only this much tab is there, and when we click on a shape, you can see a formatting tab also appear. These types of tabs are known as contextual tab. In this tab you can see the different, there are 5 groups in this formatting tab. So this is the different groups that we can see in a format tab, and the groups are insert shapes group, then shape style group, Wordart style, arrange and size, and each groups have different functions, and you have learned in that your and you can see that in your textbook. So that's all for today's topic. Kindly go through your textbook. The PDF will be given later to do the work in your notebook. So we'll meet in the interactive session. Thank you. Have a nice day.